Okay, welcome back to our Sandblast Tip Series.
Who is this drooling idiot over here?
His name is Karl, and he will be helping us out today.
Looks like a damn idiot to me.
They turned me loose from the nervous hospital. They say I'm well.
Oh, what a tool!
Now, Shawn, let's be nice, okay? He's volunteered his time to join us today. So, Karl, what have you been doing since your release?
This and that. Been blasting this old mower blade and whatnot.
Really? What type of blaster you got?
Reckon I got me one of the big uns.
You like sandblasting?
Yes, sir. I don't understand it all, but I reckon I understand a good deal of it.
All right. Enough of this dim-witted freak show. It's time for a joke.
You ought not to talk that way. You just a boy.
Oh, whatever.
I reckon I got me one of them jokes. There were these two fellers standing on a bridge going to the bathroom. One feller said, "The water's cold," and the other feller said, "The water's deep." I believe one feller came from Arkansas. Get it?
I do, Karl. That's a great joke.
Are you kidding me? Okay, get this guy out of here so you can give us your dumb sandblast tip.
I reckon I go now, just 'cause I ain't gonna be around no more. Maybe. Don't mean that I don't care for you.
Okay, maybe you should go, Karl.
Yes, sir. I reckon I will. Get me some of them French fried potatoes. Coffee makes me nervous when I drink it.
Okay, time for the tip of the week. When cabinet blasting, if process time is crucial, a pressure cabinet will clean your parts up to 400% faster than a suction unit.
Oh my god. I reckon you ain't never gonna have a good tip for us.
Well, that's about it for today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We will be having new visitors each week. See you soon.